Hey everyone, in today's video let me show you a decent Redbubble sale that gives you an opportunity to know the all tips and tricks to get sales organically from Redbubble marketplace. And this sale is throw pillow of football lover American football player quote. So now let's get started with the first point regarding this amazing sale, that is the niche. Of course, if you are a newbie on Redbubble, it's better for you to go through less competitive niches to get found easier and faster on the Redbubble marketplace. And in our case today, this niche is the sport niche or pole sport niches. Therefore, you've got to niche down from this big niche or this huge competitive niche to make micro niches or sub niches, including this one, American football sport. So the second point is how to get the main keyword of your design. To get your main keyword to rank higher on Redbubble search results, first of all, just you can head over to Redbubble homepage. And here in this search part, just you can insert your initial topic or initial keyword regarding your sub niche. Like in our case, American football lover, for example. Therefore, you will get a lot of different results regarding this amazing query or this amazing keyword. And then you can find my design ranked higher on the first page on Redbubble marketplace regarding this specific keyword. And here on Redbubble, you can find a lot of different suggestions concerning this specific keyword, and they are the most searched terms that are related to this query, like American football lover, American football team, American football fan, and etc. So in this step, just you've got to investigate all these keywords to get the keyword that has less competition or less search results, so to speak. So in this case, American football lover, here you will get 4,000 results or 4,000 competing designs as you see. Thus, you can navigate to another one like this one, for example, American football fan, to figure out how much it's a competition, like this one, for example, and American football mom, it's amazing one, by the way, as you see. And you can find my design ranked higher on this page as well. So that way you can get the all main keyword of your design that has less competition or less search results. So in our design, here you can find I put two different main keyword in my title that are football lover and colon an American football player quote. So many people are looking for a lot of different sayings and quotes about this specific sport or this specific idea. So I put this one American football player quote to make my design ranked higher on Redbubble search results concerning this query or this search term. So you've got to craft your title like that. Just you can insert two strong main keywords in your title as you observe, to maximize your opportunities and your chances to get higher and get found regarding this specific sub niche. And the third point quickly, that is throw pillow. That is one of the home decor items on Redbubble. Thus, you've got to activate all items on Redbubble as much as possible, because you don't know which item your customer likes your design on. It could be a sticker, t-shirt, dress, or one of the home decor items like throw pillow as you see. And the fourth point quickly, that is the simplicity of your design. Don't limit yourself and don't complicate yourself to make some complex designs or something. Just you can find here a simple design, a word and text based design without any graphics, without any images at all. Just a simple quote or a simple saying that has some funny sense and so on. As you see, warning, talking about football as you see. So of course you can get these quotes or these things from websites, from Google or anything else, or you can get them even from ChatGPT. Or just let me show you an amazing trick that you can do easily and professionally without any prior experience. First, just you can take a screenshot of this design. Like, you can open it in a new window like this, and now you need to take a screenshot of this design to get inspired with. So we can hold shift and window button and with S to activate this screenshot tool from Windows. Okay, and take this design as you see. Okay, save it, and now let's head over together to canva.com. Yes, canva.com. And here in this homepage of Canva, just you can head over to create a design and select this one, custom size, to insert your dimensions like this one, for example. Afterward, just you can head over to the uploads section to upload your screenshot that you took earlier. Uploads, upload your screenshot. Just you can bring it to the canvas, and here just you can opt for this edit photo, this option up here, edit photo. Then you can find a plethora of amazing AI tools that were recently released from canva.com. One of them is grab text option. This amazing tool separates this text from the background, or this colored background, if so to speak. Therefore, it recognizes the old fonts found on this text or this quote as you observe. So now we can remove this background, okay, and now we can easily change this font or change its color as you like. So in our case, just you can change them to a dark color like this one, for example, as you see. And here you can find two different fonts as you see, this Blueberry and this one is Liga Gothic as you see. So now you can create these such designs similar to my design depending on this font pair between Blueberry and Liga Gothic. So you can get your quote, as I said before, from external websites, from ChatGPT, from any AI tool as you like, or from Canva AI writer as you want. You get a lot of different quotes and sayings regarding your sub-niche or your less competitive niche. Then you can come back here to canva.com and use the same font that attract people and keeping the same style as you like. Just if you apply all these instructions and all ins and outs regarding this sale, will get many sales as soon as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.